That, ladies and gentlemen, is why you inspect your batteries or your battery packs before you charge. And after any major mishaps. I was actually going to store this pack. I was just going to set it down. Not just set it down, but put it on standby. And I happened to look, and I'm going to zoom out to put this into perspective. So, if you couldn't tell, we're looking through something, and that something is an 8-power loop. So, if we get as close as the cell phone camera will let us, and even then zoom in. Come on, focus. Focus. That's as far in as it'll go, and it looks like crap. I could probably get a better shot with my actual DSLR, but the battery's dead. That's why I'm doing this, and that's why it's so shaky and crappy. As you can see, this is number 1, and as you can see, the date on there is when I purchased this, February 3rd, 2018. Today is February 10th. I've had this battery exactly 7 days. As you can see, it has had 3 charges. And if I can manage to chuck it on the checker one-handed without looking too janky. Bang. You can see it's actually not crazy discharged, which is pretty good, and they're semi-balanced. But that's not entirely surprising, because that low one, that 0.89, I would bet you is that punctured cell. So if you didn't know that that's what I was talking about, that is a punctured cell. You can see, a little mess up in the heat shrink. That's not too big a deal. The rest of it looks pretty good. Now, mind you, this was a top mounted, but in the particular crash that this occurred in, I'm guessing, because I didn't notice till after, the top plate I made from acrylic broke. So it looks like there's some plant matter in there. I don't know if that got pushed in by some plastic maybe, but that sucks. 3 charges. One when I got it, flew it a little bit, messed around, charged it, flew it, or messed around a little bit, charged it, flew around, messed a little charge. So I guess 3 charges, 4 discharges, and a week old. Toast. Cannot charge that. I guess if you wanted to be really crafty, you could potentially, and do not try this. I'm not even going to say it. Never mind. Somebody will try it and then I'll get blamed. You can see it. This thing is not puffy. It's in good shape. Otherwise, I'm really glad that did not start a fire. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go take this outside and put it somewhere safe, because I don't want my house to burn down, and I don't think anything really is going to happen, but better safe than sorry. These things can be potentially dangerous if they decide to pop. So there's a really short video, first one in a while. Hopefully some more are going to be coming. I have some stuff working. I mean, you can see, you know, watching some videos while I'm working on stuff. But there's that guy. Right now I'm calling it Johnny 5. It's kind of a Frankenstein because I'm waiting on parts. But there you go. So be careful, guys. Always, 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 always charge safely. Check your batteries before you charge. Inspect them carefully because this thing is really small. I wasn't even sure that it was punctured until I stuck it under the magnifier with the light, and then I grabbed my loop because I still wasn't even positive, and my eyes are actually pretty good. You know, I really wanted to be sure, and you know, you can tell when you're looking through there that foil packing around that lithium cell is punctured, and that is no bueno. So there it is, boys and girls. Be careful, charge safe, fly safe. Yeah, don't drink and drive.